Hello, good afternoon. My name is Natalia. To pronounce the consonant sounds. Let's start. But before, I would like to say that consonants are all the non-vowel sounds. They are divided into two sections, voice and voiceless. So, as you can see in my screen, these are the consonant sounds. So, let's start with the first sound is pronounced like yes, like in the word stop and happy. Next, we have the next consonant is like t, t, yes, like in the word t, t. Yes, the other consonant sounds like yes, is like you were blowing, like in the word think and bow. Yes, so now we have the sh, sh sounds. Yes, like in the word church. Like in the word church. Yes, so now we have the sounds, like in the word sun. Yes, next consonant is sh, sh, like in the word she. Yes, so we have k, k sound, like in the word cake and crack. Yes, now we have the b sound, like in the word black. Yes, like now we have the v sounds. Yes, like in the word live. Now we have the d sound, like in the word do and daughter. Give me a second. Yes, I have some problems with my mouse, but so we have next consonant sounds is v, v. Yes, like in the word there and this. Yes, so now we have the give me a second. We have the yes, we have these sounds like j, yes, like in the word joke and junk. Yes, we have the z sound, yes, z, like in the word lazy. So now we have this consonant sound. We pronounce j, yes, like in the word pleasure. Yes, now we have g, g, like in the word get and give. Now we have the sounds, give me a second, like in the word house and home. We have the sound, like in the word miss and mom. Yes, next sound we have is the sound, like in the word noun. And this consonant we are going to pronounce is more nasal. Yes, so this sound is like mm, 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 like in the word singer, thing. Yes, and English. So it's more nasal. Now we have the sound. Yes, like in the word right. Yes. Now we have the all sound. Yes. We have yes. This. Give me a second. This sound is oh sorry. This sound is like all like in the word blog. Yes, now we have the wa, wa, wa sound, like in the word and want. And now we have uh, the sound yeah, 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 like in the word yes and yellow. Yes, now we have the sound, like in the word coffee, coffee, and fine. Yes, so we have more. We that's uh, sorry, that's all the consonants we have in English. So I hope you liked, and thanks for your attention, and see you next time. Bye bye. Thanks.